guys, good morning. We are now here in Krabi, Thailand.
Wow!
Yan yung mga long tail boat guys dito sa Ao Nang. Ao Nang is located here in Krabi, which is a province in Thailand. Malapit na to sa Phuket. Medyo tahimik ngayon guys, walang masyadong tourists. And today is May 4. Yan. Nakita nyo yung island na yon. Yung island na yon guys, that is hindi pala island yan. That is also a beach. It's Railay Beach. So pumuntahan natin yan soon together with Pranang Beach. Merong ang ano dito guys, oh, jellyfish. Yan. Laki niya, oh. Patay na to, no? From the beach side, dito naman sa kabila, madaming mga stalls. May mga bilihan ng coffee, may mga resto, may mga iba't ibang cuisines na ino-offer dyan. May mga bars din. So talagang pinupuntahan to ng mga tourists pag gabi. Buhay na buhay yung ano dyan, nightlife. Para siyang style Bora na style LU na may konting pagkapalawan. Mix siya, mekus. Sailboat. Mainit. Low tide, oh. Ito may low tide niya. Yan. Sasama tayo sa tour 7 Islands.
Okay, let's go. I'll make sure no sand. I'll wash off.
Okay, everyone don't bring the sand on the boat. May help? Be careful your telephone.
Yes. Okay, it's okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
my team don't bring the sand on the boat นะคะ
Init.
Welcome to the first station, right, for everybody to snorkeling. This one we are calling Yawasam Island or Tuwin Island. We are stuck here, right, 40 minutes for everybody to snorkeling somewhere around here.
My bag.
Thank you.
Can you hold it for me? Thank you. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Top Island. Tapos nagkadikit siya dun sa Mo Island. Yan. Meron silang sand. Ano to? Parang sand something para daw magka-connect sila kapag low tide. Pero kapag high tide, maano na nun, hindi na pwede. Ito yung Chicken Island yan. Yung nakikita nyo yung island, malaking island yan. Pag low tide, pwede ka pang tumawid. Kamukha niyan, 10 minutes daw mag-high tide na. So kung tatawid ka, dahan-dahan. Ito yung ano, Kim. Ito yung Mo Island. Ito yung Top Island. Ito yung nag-ano sa kanya, nag-uugnay. Ito yung ano, sand something. Sakit sa paa. Hey guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kopoda Island. Waiting for the sunset. And medyo mataas pa siya. Chicken.
chicken.
Thank you. So waiting for the sunset. Pero feel ko matatakpan siya ng ulap. Kaya yan, before kami umalis dito sa Kopoda, 6:40 pa lang yung alis ng boat and we still have ilang minutes pa. Wait lang. 40 minutes. Ayan, 40 minutes tayo maghihintay dito. Tatakpan lang yan guys.